Welcome to GMAETS 41's special episode for our dear student, the GMAETS 41's Special Science College student. I hope you're all doing fine. Welcome to join this live session, which is a program scheduled to ensure that we are able to activate and track the progress of our dear students in GMAETS 41 Special Science College. So as we all know, this is a live class that gives you room to come on live together with GMAETS 41 as you have the opportunity to be tried on the things that we covered in our class today. In our class today, we treated chemistry. We looked at the concept of relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass. And before today's chemistry class, last week and the week before, we had actually also learned the concept of how to write the correct chemical formula of a compound, of course, using the knowledge of valency. Tomorrow in our live class, I will be dealing with that in our live class. But in our school, GMAETS 41 Special Science School, we had already covered that. So let's see who and who is online right now. Please, if you are available, okay, you can type to indicate that you're around. Type your name. I am looking forward to seeing Chijioke, Chika. What about Chinedu, Pascaline? Yes, so where are you? If you're around, if you're already connected, you can indicate that you're around, and then Will Gia, how are you? You're welcome to join this live section, although the live section specifically targets, our dear students in our physical school, GMAETS 41's Special Science College, a physical school that have been launched, all right, kicking off this section. And we're in progress already, having resumed. We'll be kicking off in earnest from 13th, all right, that school is generally resuming. So based on what we've covered, some of these students are going to be quizzed. And then we want to see that we track and activate the progress of your students. Okay, I can see Chinedu, I can see Emmanuel. You are welcome to join the class. So I hope you are ready. Now, what do you have to do now? I've already instructed you people on how to come on live and take your quiz. And to believe that this episode has been arranged will activate your progress in terms of personal studies. Knowing that as a student, you must not wait until you hear examination before you start preparing. Like I said, what GMAETS 41 is going to be doing through our physical classes will be unmatched. Just same way that GMAETS 41 is delivering non-stop online, our physical school is going to feel that impact. So Chinedu, let us get to business. Go to our WhatsApp group and then click on the invite link. YouTube Go Live Together. You are the first person that's going to be quizzed, and I want to believe that you have prepared. Yes, based on the classes you've had, because you'll be quizzed randomly, just like I told you, friends. So if network allows you, Chinedu, go to the WhatsApp group, click on the invite link. Click on it, request to join, and I will bring you up. But if you're not ready yet, say the network is disturbing you, Emmanuel, you are there. Emmanuel, you are there. You can also go back and click on the invite link. Any one of you that appears first, I will quiz you, all right? To track how far you have gone with what we have treated so far. Go back, click on the invite link. All right, Emmanuel, I can see you now, so I am adding you up to come on live. Chinedu, while I wait for you, you can also attempt when I am done with Emmanuel. If I am done with Emmanuel, then I will have Emmanuel. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
That's good. I hope you had a wonderful day after our class today.
Yes, sir.
Good. And I hope you have also done the needful by preparing, by studying what you have been taught for some weeks.
Yes, sir.
Like I told you, friends, this is going to be a real-time world view display. What do I mean by that? I would not, like I said, give you any question beforehand. No. The questions are coming up real time. This is just the startup. And so just 1-2 questions. Let's see if you have actually activated your progress to make sure that as a student, you have to be at alert, studying regularly. So are you ready for today's question?
Yes, sir.
All right, so your first question. The first question reads, pay attention carefully and then tell me the answer. I'm going to read out the options for you. Pay attention carefully. Are you there?
Okay, sir.
Okay, dash. Dash is defined. Dash is defined as the average number of times. Sorry, as the number of times. Dash is defined as the number of times the average mass of one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of. Repeat it again. Are you there with me?
I cannot hear you, sir.
I want to repeat the question. Can you hear me? Dash is defined as the number of times the average mass of one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of carbon 12. Did you get that definition?
Yes, sir.
Now, your option A, relative atomic mass, RAN. Option A, relative atomic mass, RAN. Option B, relative molecular mass, RMN. I hope you are listening, right?
Yes, sir.
Option C, molar mass. Option C, molar mass. Option D, percentage by mass. Percentage by mass. The question reads, dash is defined as the number of times the average mass of one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of carbon 12. The option A, relative atomic mass. B, relative molecular mass. C, molar mass. D, percentage by mass. What is your answer?
The answer is option A, relative atomic mass.
That is correct. Very correct. Question number 2. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Calculate. I hope you are with your pen and paper there.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the relative molecular mass. Calculate the relative molecular mass of H2SO4 tetraoxosulfate 6. Calculate the relative molecular mass of tetraoxosulfate 6. H2SO4. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now open brackets. I am giving you the relative atomic mass of the elements.
Okay,
H.
sir.
H equal to 1. S equal to 32. S equal to 32. O equal to 16. O equal to 16. So what is the relative molecular mass of tetraoxosulfate 6? No option. Solve and say your answer. I am listening.
Okay, sir.
Be fast in your solving. No time. H2SO4. What is the relative molecular mass? Remember in your exam, when you sit for WAEC, when you sit for JAM, when you sit for NECO, you are timed.
2 plus 32 plus.
It'll be very fast.
$98, sir.
Again?
98, sir.
That is very correct. That's the relative molecular mass of tetraoxosulfate 6, 98.
Yes.
Your last question. Your
Okay,
last
sir.
question before I bring up another of our students. Your last question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is the atomicity?
Atomicity.
What is the atom? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the atomicity of carbon? What is the atomicity of carbon in calcium trioxocarbonate 4? What is the atomicity of carbon in calcium trioxocarbonate 4? Answer, no option.
This one. Calcium
trioxocarbonate 4. What is the atomicity of carbon there?
Ca2CO3 in brackets 4.
Calcium trioxocarbonate 4. What is the atomicity of carbon there?
Calcium. Okay. Calcium.
Calcium trioxocarbonate 4. What is the atomicity of carbon there?
Ca2CO3 in brackets 2.
Thank you very much for attempting the question. The last question, you could not make it. You tried, but your answer is incorrect. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So pay attention. Calcium trioxocarbonate 4, the correct chemical formula is CaCO3, CaCO3. That's the correct chemical formula. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you written CaCO3?
Yes, sir.
Now look at carbon there. Carbon. How many atoms of carbon do you have there?
1.
How many atoms of carbon do you have in CaCO3?
Okay.
The atomicity, how many atoms of carbon do you have?
1.
Correct. So you have to work on how to write the correct chemical formula of a compound. From your last attempt, it shows that you are still having challenges there.
Okay,
so
sir.
I am going to call you tomorrow. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
And I'll give you an assignment. You
Okay.
need to go back and work on your valencies of the first 20 elements.
Okay, sir.
And then the valency of radicals. The valency of what?
Radicals.
Good. Valency of the first 20 elements, valencies of radicals. I will give you that assignment tomorrow morning. Go through it. I will call you and likely come to your house later tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
I have to find out if you did the work. And then
Okay,
I will
sir.
know what I have to do further to assist you, because you don't need to return back to school without having learned that.
Okay, sir.
It's not good to carry new as an old work that is yet unlearned. It's not good to carry it to a new week. So
Okay.
thank you for trying. The result of the 3 questions, we were able to attempt 2 questions correctly. Is a good start. The last one, you have to work on it. Thank you. I'll be removing you now so as to bring in someone else, to bring in another of our students.
Okay, sir.
All right, have a good night rest. So, Emmanuel, are you ready? Okay, I've seen that. So, I am bringing you live now, Emmanuel. Oh, Chinedu rather. Chinedu, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening. You are welcome to our live class section that is arranged in order to activate and track students' progress.
Thank you, sir.
So, you are aware of this already because it is part of what GMAETS 41 Special Science College is embarking upon to ensure that you students will take your work seriously. Like I said, it is not only when you hear exam you start studying. You want to be always prepared ahead.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
If I had said, okay, this life quiz, is going to go for 10,000 naira now, someone that is not prepared is going to miss it. Is that not so?
Yeah,
So you
true.
want to always be prepared. Anything can happen anytime. You can be called upon for an interview, can be called upon for an exam anytime. It could be a scholarship exam or what have you. And that is one of the purpose of this, to prepare students to continue to monitor your friends' progress, like I told you people. You are welcome to this live session. Are you ready for your questions?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. Question number 1. The number of times the average mass of one molecule, the number of times the average mass of one molecule of an element or a compound is heavier than 1/12. The mass of carbon 12 is known as, did you get a question?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat it again. Follow. The number of times the average mass of one molecule of an element or a compound is heavier than 1/12. The mass of carbon 12 is known as, listen to the option. Option A, RAN, relative atomic mass. Option B, relative molecular mass, RMN. Option C, molar mass. Option C, molar mass. Option D, percentage composition by mass. Percentage composition by mass. What is your answer?
Option B, relative molecular
Option 1? That is very correct. That is very correct. Thank you very much. Question number 2. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is the correct chemical formula? What is the correct chemical formula of calcium chloride? Calcium chloride. What is the correct chemical formula of calcium chloride? No option. No option. What is the correct chemical formula of calcium chloride? With the knowledge of your valency and other things that you've learned, if you studied well, you should be able to come up with that. So no option to this question. What is the correct chemical formula of calcium chloride rather?
CaCl2.
Correct. That's interesting. Question number 3. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. The relative molecular mass of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5 is, the relative molecular mass of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5 is, now listen, let me give you the relative atomic mass of the elements. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Pb equal to 207.
Yes, sir.
N equal to 14. O equal to 16. What is the relative molecular mass of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5? I hope you have your pen and paper there to solve this question. As I told you, friends, to make sure you have your writing material when you're coming on live. All right, solve that question. and tell us the relative molecular mass of lead-2-trioxonitrate 5, given the relative atomic mass of the component element. Remember, if you are sitting for WIAC, for JAM, for NECO, for whatever exam, you are timed. So you are working with time. Be fast, please. Thank you. Chinedu?
Yes, sir.
What's taking your time? I've not gotten your answer yet.
I want to add them together.
Be fast. Your time is counting. You don't have much of this time in your exam. What is the relative molecular mass of lead-2-trioxonitrate-5? I am waiting. Please be fast.
Okay, sir.
By standard, your time should have been up. It's just that I don't want to start working on time with you people yet. But soon we are going to activate time. It will be showing. And so that you know what you're doing. Yes?
28 plus 32. Just 30 seconds, I'll be done. Let me add them.
Lead is 207, nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 16, their relative atomic mass.
My answer is 167.
267. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you for attempting that. You friends should stay on. Stay on. I think I have to top up my data. I just finished a class with basic level of learning before this. But all right, you said it's 267, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. If that is the final answer, thank you for attempting, but it is incorrect. It is incorrect, okay? Now, let me ask you, please, Chinedu, what is the correct chemical formula of lead-2-trioxonitrate 5? Pascaline, I will bring you up soon, all right? Just be patient. After Chinedu, welcome to join the live stream. Chinedu, what is the correct chemical formula of lead-2-trioxonitrate 5?
P bracket
PB
bracket N.
bracket.
Oh, I made a mistake here.
Okay, just because I feel like if you know the correct chemical formula, you should be able to say the correct chemical formula. If you've gotten the correct, as in if you've seen your mistake, right? I would still want to hear.
P bracket NO3 bracket PB bracket NO2 outside.
All right. So was this the compound? Was this exactly what you use in calculating the relative molecular mass of lead-2-trioxonitrate 5?
No, sir.
Now I am giving you another chance. I'm
Okay,
giving
sir.
you another chance. Good enough. I had not said the answer, but your 267 was incorrect. So you having given the correct chemical formula, proceed. Are you there?
Yes,
To
sir.
determine the relative molecular mass. Be fast, please. Pascaline is on now waiting. Let me see, I have to top up my data. So just be fast. Let me see what I can do. I just hope I'm not cut off. Be working on it, please. I'll be right
Yes, sir.
away. Be fast about that once I come in. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer, please?
345.
345. That is interestingly funny. Thank you for attempting 345 with PBNO3 in bracket and then 2 outside. I wonder how you at 300 said. You got the correct chemical formula, but I think with basic arithmetic or something, you are actually having this challenge. But I am impressed in the fact that you were able to get the correct chemical formula. So you have just a little challenge to top up yourself, right? Now, can you read out the line of what you solved? I want to hear it. How did you solve it? Read it out, because your friend had learned that to get the relative molecular mass, you have to use the relative atomic mass multiplied by the atomicity, and then you sum everything. Did you do something like that?
Sir?
Can you read out how you solved it? Can you read out how you solved it?
Okay.
Read out how you solved it. Good evening. I don't know who I'm speaking with. I am on live class now, please. Okay, I'll call you back. Chinedu, sorry, read out how you solved it. This times this plus this, and I want to hear it. So let me know how you arrive at your answer. Be fast, please.
201. 207.
201.
207
Okay.
times 1
Continue. I'm with you. Continue.
plus
Hello.
plus 14
Plus 14.
times 2.
So 14 times 2 give you 28. Is that not so?
Yes, I made a mistake. I wrote 42 here.
So I think with regards to this, you want to improve your level of focus and concentration. Although you're under pressure, I understand. But pressure has not even started. Pressure has not started. Because I believe very well that you have beaten the most important thing. And what is that? Your ability to know that lead 2025 is written as PB bracket NO3, close your bracket 2. That's wonderful. Then you should be able to get the relative molecular mass. So all these little mistakes, this area you want to work on to improve. Your level of concentration, speed and accuracy should go together. Are you getting me right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I would give you the last chance. Be fast about that. If you mistakenly wrote 40 something instead of 28. Okay, what about the last one anyway? The last one for oxygen. How did you solve it? What did you do? What times what?
16 times 6.
Which gave you what? 16 times 6 will give you what?
96.
Correct. So now, quickly add up.
My final answer
Don't waste our time.
is 331.
331. Correct. That's the correct relative molecular mass of lead 2005. Although this took time, but one of my interests is the fact that you were able to survive in it. You succeeded in finally getting the answer. You were able to find out your mistakes. And this is a real-time question. You guys, nobody was prepared for what is going to face him or her on this live section. And remember, the world is watching you. So you people want to, like I said, make sure you are always activated. The network of your brain should be at alert. So that's good. It's interesting that you're able to find out your mistakes and you worked on it. Kudos. You tried. I'll be giving you 2.5 as a score. Instead of 3/3, it's going to be 2.5. All right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Do have a good night rest. Please, I would be removing you now so that Pascaline can request to join.
Okay, sir.
All right, Pascaline, you can request to join now. While you're doing that, let me